After this lecture, you'll be able to speak and understand the expression I'm a student in Korean. Then let's start the class. This Korean sentence, 저는 학생이에요, is what you're going to learn in this lecture. First, let's take a look at the words of the sentence. This character means I, and it's pronounced 저. Repeat after me. 저. 저. The character consists of two parts, that a consonant and a vowel. This one is a consonant and this one is a vowel. So together with the consonant and the vowel, it makes the whole character 저, which means I. Next word is a student. It's pronounced 학생. Repeat after me. 학생. 학생. The character 학 consists of this one, a consonant, and this one, a vowel, and this one, another consonant. Likewise, this character 생 also consists of the consonant, a vowel, and the consonant. So altogether, they make 학생, which means a student. Next word is 이에요, which means am. Repeat after me. 이에요. 이에요. This character is pronounced 이. It consists of two parts, a consonant and a vowel. This one is a consonant and this one is a vowel. This character is pronounced 에. It consists of two parts, a consonant and a vowel. This one is a consonant and this one is a vowel. This character is pronounced 요. It consists of two parts, a consonant and a vowel. This one is a consonant and this one is a vowel. So with all this together, they make a word 이에요. That means am. Lastly, the letter you're going to learn is 는. 는 consists of three parts, a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. 는 is used as a postpositional particle. Then what is that? English doesn't have a particle system as Korean and Japanese do. In Korean, particle is attached to the end of noun. They express the role that their respective words play in the sentence. In the sentence here, 는 is attached to the end of 저, so this part 저 gets to play as a subject. When Koreans hear 는 attached to after noun during conversation, they naturally sense the part as a subject. A Korean noun like 학생 doesn't have an article as in a student in English. Korean doesn't have a complex article system like English. So when it comes to Korean noun, when compared with English, it's simpler. On the contrary, when Koreans learn English as a foreign language, they always have significant problems with the complexities of the English article system. You have just learned the sentence 저는 학생이에요, which means I'm a student. From the sentence, you can see the order of words is different from that of English. 이에요 is a predicate and is placed at the end of the sentence. Predicate is placed at the end of the sentence in Korean, which means the more important the meaning of word is, it is placed at the end of the sentence. This is quite contrary to English, and this difference is one of the reasons why Korean culture is much different from that of English or Americans. The Korean word spacing is a bit different from that of English. Most Korean words can be written separately with a space between two words as in English, but there are cases in which you should not have a space between two words. 학생이에요 of the sentence doesn't have a space though it consists of two words. When a noun plus predicate are used together, space doesn't get put between them in Korean. You'll eventually have a sense of spacing rules in Korean while practicing it. And spacing rules are not that important when it comes to speaking. So if you are more interested in speaking rather than reading or writing, you don't have to pay much attention to spacing rules. You have just learned the sentence 저는 학생이에요. Now you may understand 저 means I, 학생 means student, and 이에요 means am. You also have learned Korean doesn't have an article system as English, while Korean has a particle system, unlike English as in 저는. The part 저 plays a role as a subject in the sentence because of the particle 는. You have learned the order of words in Korean is different from that of English. Predicate is placed at the end of the sentence because it's usually more important in Korean. In the next lecture, you're going to learn the sentence I'm good in Korean.